Is the fridge gonna fall? Let's play a game. It's drinking a lot of water leaking out of it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty good load. That's not a light fridge either. Oh no, don't hit the quad tires. Oh, just knocked them over. Yeah, just putting this thing in storage over here for when we got a load for the dump. Woo! Oh, my front end looks a little squished down there. It's because all the weight is teeter-tottering out and I'm in a bit of hole here. Well, that's pretty much where I'm putting it, just beside there, so I'm gonna call that a win. God, stand up, bitch! What are you doing?
Extreme gym practice.
And you say you're not worried about wood ticks?
Fuck wood ticks.
Well, Sears is doing a hell of a workout today moving shit, that's for sure. Oh, that's what stopped me a little bit of a stump.
I know.
I should give it a flip. This is nest number 25, maybe? Anyone see any eggs? I do not. No eggs, right? That's literally probably 10 nests. Well, if he's going to hurt himself and doesn't want to listen when I say no, it might as well make a video. Could bounce and hit him in the leg, so. Oh, that's close to your foot. Oh, Logan. I mean, he wants to take a chance. Like I said, if he's going to do it and hurt himself, as long as it's on video, it's all good. Hey, watch the handle, man.
I'm carefully disassembling the fridge.
Yeah.
First we take that piece off.
Thank you, bro.
And this one.
There's already no Freon in it. I'm standing out of the swing zone. Just wait. Well, let's see if we could get some grass seed. Just using El Cheapo grass seed for now. Because I did get some to spring up. You could say over there and in the back. And it really made it a lot stronger. So the ground, I'm saying, so it's not all loose. But let's see what happens. Well, still cleaning here. Just got stung by a damn bumblefuck. Ground bees. I'll go get some raid. Freaking ground bees. I'll just let that idle for a while. The only thing I had is this stuff here that I sprayed it down first with. So let that idle for a while, maybe move it around every few minutes, see what happens. Where are you going, you stingy bee? Where are you going? Are you running? Are you running? You don't like the lawnmower? Yeah? Yeah? What kind of bee is that now? It almost looks like a honeybee. No, it's too fluffy. I told him they were gone. Or him they were gone, so. I'm pretty sure they are gone now. There wasn't many of them, maybe 40 of them at the most. Hey, don't lift that up on the ground. They're over there hiding too now. Hey, why does he keep on lifting it right up like that, man? I don't want to rot blowing out my balls. I'm standing back. I just seen that frog that just came out of the ground. Like literally out of the ground. Right there, it dug out and I kind of went over top him. Like he came out of the sand. He must have had a hole in the ground. Freaking toadlet. I think his ass has exploded.
Yeah.
I think it's dead.
No, he's alive. He's blinking.
Oh no, he looks good. That's a big.
Does look exploded, but
That's a pretty big ass frog.
I know.
Okay. Jumped. He's out of the water now. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Like, dude, just give me a minute. Jesus.
I just came out from underneath your tires, man. Yeah. Oh, that's crazy because we had all this raked up and cleaned. Weird. Oh, it looked healthy. It actually moved from there right underneath the machine. So, Logan, toads don't swim.
I know.
Okay.
Give him some water to clean him off.
That's not too bad. Okay, go put them not where we're working, but maybe give them to Seda. Seda might be hungry.
No. You try to blow it up with firecrackers, then you try to give it to the dog.
Yeah, I tried blowing them up with firecrackers. I'm not your age anymore, Logan. I can't even see her. Okay. That fan is on high and it's a velocity fan. I think she likes it. That is hilarious.
Like, I'm cool, finally.
Okay, so it's the next day. So I'm thinking I'm going to buy or borrow a cement mixer and pour about 12 pads minimum. So the only way I'm going to get them big enough, because again, I want to be able to put the dune buggy in there. So let's start that guy up for the first time today and finish digging where I was digging. So yeah, I'm gonna use these skids here to put that stuff up on top of. It was the plan originally, I just never had time, and I got a bunch of the blue ones around the corner. So fun. But I'm going to finish getting those sidewalk blocks over here for now. And as you guys seen, I moved the dune buggy and going to clean that out, and the quad should fit nicely in between there. Well, it doesn't look like much right now. It doesn't even look like I actually brought it down much, but I got those 2 piles of sand off there. Reason why is there's stumps and roots. There's one right there that I need to cut out, and I don't want those underneath. That one is not bad, but I'll still cut it out. I don't want it underneath the sidewalk blocks. But basically, I got that huge stack of sidewalk blocks there, and the reason why I'm putting it here is the evening sun, I get good shade right here. And also, the back here is going to be a metal fence. And the metal fence is going to go from the back of that. I say metal because I got a lot of sheet metal siding. So it's going to go on poles from there, back to here, and then it's going to actually go across to the front of the house there. So it's going to actually fence in the entire backyard area here. And then later on, I'll continue across there somewhere behind the new building. But it's hot today. It's plus 30. Yeah. I also got a whole shit ton of these bricks here. I just picked those up. The neighbor was cleaning out his backyard, and there's actually more in my truck still, so girlfriend just stacked them here for now. But so I'm gonna work in there later on, maybe next week. I want to get this area done here for now because I want a shaded area for working. That's the main idea. See, right now there's a bit of shade here with where the sun is, but it's already gone. Yeah, it was literally there for maybe a couple hours this morning. That's it. So on this side there'll be a patio, and I might even extend, if I have enough bricks, more this way to be able to jack up a vehicle. So that's kind of the idea. But I don't even know how many sidewalk blocks I have. I do got to check that out. There's actually a fairly decent amount here. I had a whole pile of cylinders that I was just moving. So, yeah, I'm not going to have enough. Not for what I want to do, but in here is where I moved to Dune Buggy to. Hoping to give some shady work area here, but it's not really the best. The old fridge. And whole pile of those cement cylinders, which I was thinking might work for the garage. But no, that's not going to work for the floor. When I say floor, I mean for holding up the framing. So, yeah, I find it's just too hot right now to work out here, but has to get done. Has to get done. So, okay. Get back to you guys later on, but I know these videos are extremely boring, and it seems like every time I post them, I lose subscribers. And of course, lack of comments makes me wonder if I should even be posting these. I really doubt anyone makes it this far in the videos, but yeah. No, I'm just posting whatever. Nothing else going on until I get a garage built, which hopefully will be done by fall. But it might even end up being next year. You never know. Depends on income. Well, still nowhere near done. But got those bricks laid down. Again, that's just somewhere, because right now you can see it's in the shade. Well, kind of. So, see, sun's right above me. Sun's gone. So you can see the line right there. Nice cool spot to work on stuff. Probably will be putting another line of bricks in, but looks pretty good. Probably another roll, at least another roll, but I either got to steal some from the back deck around the fire pit there, because I'm out. Well, I got enough to do half of another roll, so. But ideally, it would be nice to come out. You can actually look where I originally cleared it out was right up to about here, but I just moved the sand hills that I had there just into that pile, but because I don't want this to be too high. But again, it'd be nice to go actually 2 of them out, and then I'll be continuing the edge of that with a tin fence, and then going this way, probably up to there. Just give it shade during the morning and in the evening, but of course not midday. But maybe I will put some kind of umbrella or something on there, not too sure yet. This is just temporary until I get the garage done, of course. And finally got rid of all those sidewalk blocks. Just moving some beams and wood and shit to put some Sears parts on. But that's how that's gonna look. Yeah, it's not the most level, but I mean, it's gonna work. And then we're gonna continue a fence style behind that across here, there, and maybe to the house next year. But for this year, I wouldn't mind getting these 2 walls up. But that's on here because I washed the sand in between them, tightening them up. Some of them were rocking a bit. So now they're tight anyway, but okay, I better go put all this stuff in the recycling pile to get buried, as in by putting good stuff on top. Oh, this is very interesting. These turned almost white. Yeah, this was living tree last weekend when I pulled it out. That one was already brown, but that one was not white. That was green. Now it's white. What the hell? That is weird. But just throwing them in the back over there and giving Logan some chores to do when I'm gone, because I'm going into the city for a day or 2. So, but other than that, everything is looking good. Much more room there now that the dune buggies moved out. Why? Oh, I thought you were talking about the white tips. So, and that's the way that's going to stay. I still need to wash some sand down into it. I left a big enough gap there because we got to put a trench through there to the front poles with those wires hanging there. And also, if I decide I'm going to run power to the new garage, of course it'll be ran from that pole. But this area will be a spot for the barbecue and a couple chairs, and that's pretty much it. And of course, maybe an extra, it's probably close to at least 1.5 yards, maybe 2, I don't know. That's just going to go along the house there. And again, extremely boring video. Not much going on right now. And have to see from here. You just made me shit myself. So,
I smell it.
yeah, well, you just got crop dusted. That's a bad one too. So, okay. That's the end of this. I bet you can't hit me. Oh, yeah, well, now you can. Oh, right in the balls. You're a dick. Give it to me now. I owe you one. Oh, you're lucky you moved. Yeah, I'm not good at that no more. Don't bite the camera. Can't really see through there.
Sit up. Sit up.
Hey, who's attacking my foot behind me?
Oh!
You got quite a few of them in there, Rose, and one for some reason has followed you up onto the cardboard.
Blue's like, what about me? I'm a movie star.
Well, I just got crazy amounts of rain. Not too bad here, but outside my workout, it was 6 inches on the main road and water in the basement. But as you guys can see, with the rain comes a lot of stuff growing in the gravel, and that's 6 inches of gravel. So I'll have to weed killer, rake it, do whatever to get rid of it. But same with over there. Sooner or later, it's going to be more grass in the back lane than anything, and it's all your fault, Proxy. But she likes playing in the rain.